Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Spacewalker and how to set it up on Windows for your VITURE XR glasses. To do it, go to a browser of your choice and type in VITURE software. Then go to the download center. Now, since this video is about Windows and Spacewalker, because you can also get it for Mac or for Android phones or for your iPhone, there's also immersive 3D, and there's gonna be a video about that as well, on how to set it up and how to use it. But this video is about the Spacewalker, how to set up and use on Windows. So let's download the Windows version. You can see it is being downloaded. I'm gonna actually pause it because I already have it installed and download it, but I'm gonna just install it again because it doesn't matter. Now, as you can see, it is setting up. My glasses are already connected, which means they are plugged into the computer's USB-C port that supports DisplayPort. Let's go through the installation process, of course. And on the glasses now, I can only see a screen that's moving with my head, so it's not like it's set in a virtual position and the glasses don't track my head right now. But when I click on finish in the program here, in the installation program, I can open Spacewalker. Now the screen is gonna flash a little bit. Now let's click on next and you can set a layout of your choice. Now there's a lot of different layouts available here, and let's select a single display first, and you can select mirror displays or extend desktop. At first I will select mirror displays, which will select display exactly the same thing as my computer screen. You can select your refresh rate, but I do highly recommend 120 Hz since it's just looking the best. And let's launch the Spacewalker. Now it may take a little moment for the program to launch, but soon we should see something on the screen. I honestly don't see anything, so that is a little concerning. I should be seeing it right now. Oh, the video is still recording, right? Yeah. Let's launch it again, Let's see if it starts loading or not. Seems like nothing's happening here. Okay, yeah, now it is working. I'm gonna show you that. So I think you should be able to see it now. Yeah, you can see it now. I'm moving my head and everything is moving, right, with it. Now, what I did to fix it was I pressed and held on the short button on the left side, on the L1 button, and then did it again, and now it has restarted and it is working. So you can see this is my screen right now. But if I go to the Spacewalker, and if I instead, for example, select 3 displays side by side, and instead of mirror displays, select extend desktop, then when I click launch spacebar, now it's gonna show me to wait, and you should wait in a position where you want the center of all your displays to be. So just look into the direction you want all your displays to be centered with, and now you can see it is there. I have all these displays. I'm just waiting for the bar to pop up at the bottom. And as we can see right now, it is all working. So yeah, there are all the displays here and everything. I could do anything here. I can move the cursor, of course. I can click on something. I can go into another display, click on something else. I think that is pretty cool. And that's about it about the program. If you want, you can also watch a video about the immersive 3D, which is a really cool feature, and some other stuff as well on our channel on these glasses. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.